Welcome to Product Critique, where we explore the best products for your home. Today, we're diving into the ZINUS Loveseat sofa, which we consider one of the best love seats for small spaces. If you're looking to maximize comfort without sacrificing style or space, this could be the perfect addition to your living room, apartment, or cozy nook. This love seat features a timeless, soft silhouette and a neutral beige color that will blend seamlessly into any decor. It measures 56 inches wide, making it a great choice for smaller spaces where every inch counts. Whether you're furnishing an apartment, loft, or an extra bedroom, the ZINUS Loveseat fits just right, offering both comfort and versatility. One of the standout features of this sofa is its tool-free assembly. You don't need any complicated instructions or special tools to set it up. The parts are cleverly packed into one box, and with the easy-to-follow instructions, you'll have it ready in less than 20 minutes. It's perfect for anyone who wants to skip the hassle and enjoy their new piece of furniture right away. When it comes to durability, the ZINUS Loveseat doesn't disappoint. It's built with a strong wooden frame wrapped in supportive foam cushioning. The fabric is durable and woven, designed to withstand everyday use. The Loveseat can hold up to 500 pounds, making it a sturdy option for two people. While the seat cushions are not detachable, the back cushions are, which makes it easier to clean and maintain. Speaking of maintenance, keeping this Loveseat looking fresh is simple. The cushions can be cleaned with a damp cloth and mild detergent, so you won't have to worry about spills or stains. The cushion covers are not removable, but their easy care fabric ensures that you won't have to spend too much time cleaning. Whether you're furnishing a cozy apartment or need extra seating for a small living room, the ZINUS Loveseat sofa offers the perfect balance of comfort, style, and functionality. Its compact design, easy assembly, and durable build make it a top contender for anyone looking for the best love seat for small spaces. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one.